Today in 41 Garage, we're going to start part one of a two-part series rebuilding the transmission on the CJ. Hey, welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, occasionally throwing something on the grill, then this is the place for you. Today it's the CJs back in the limelight. During the quarantine time, I decided to try to rebuild the transmission. It has a T18 transmission bolted up to a Chevy small block. It kept popping out of fourth gear, and everybody kept telling me just rebuild it, put new synchronizers in it, and you'd be in good shape. So, like I said, this was filmed starting at the basically beginning of the quarantine for the coronavirus, and I thought I'd do that while I couldn't do anything else. So. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, getting back to the transmission project for the CJ. I've already broke this bolt loose, or this nut loose here, so let's see if we can finish this off and get our first piece off. So. Okay, so next, got the gasket off of this, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out these bolts here. All right, let's do that. Okay, taking the rear retainer clip off the back side. So far, so good. Let's see how this one goes. Okay. Now we got the snap ring of all snap rings to take off right here. And I found these pliers I'm going to try. This way, it's close, but it's just not going to go. Oh, I got it in a really weird spot. It's like half on and half off. Now what? Okay, success. I'm not going to tell you I did it by any professional methods, but it's done and it's off, so onward we go to the next thing. So my next step is to pull this bearing out, and in order to do that, I ordered this lovely tool off Amazon. Unfortunately, it took a couple weeks to get here. I've been waiting for it. It finally showed up, thought we could get this project moving, and I've run into a problem. So, what is that problem, you ask? Well, I'm glad you did ask, because let me show you. This piece goes on here, like so, and it needs to be bolted on. However, these bolts that they gave me, even when stretched out as far as possible, don't make it through. So unfortunately, my project just came to a screeching halt tonight. So I'm going to have to go to Big R tomorrow or somewhere and pick up some longer bolts. Okay, got these long bolts from Home Depot. Not exactly what I was looking for, but we're going to give this a shot. See what happens here. Definitely going to take some coordination on my part to get this thing on there. Okay, so I got this whole gadget set up. Hopefully this is going to work. I'll start pulling on it now and see what happens.
Oh yeah, the bearing's coming out.
And boom! Look how easy that was. Holy cow. Oh boy. Alright. Moving on. Okay, now for the rear. There, it's starting to go now. It's coming out. Awesome. There we go. Nice. So we got that there. Got this here. Okay, so here's where I am tonight. I got this out. I was looking at my bearings, and the one that came with my kit, this one obviously matches perfect. Both the new ones are like this, same, but so this matches up with this, which is the one I took out from the front. However, here's the rear. I don't think this is gonna matter. There's a slight lip there. It doesn't come out at all. It doesn't protrude out. So I don't think it's gonna matter if I use the one that came with the kit. Because this diameter is the same. The outer diameter is the same. The width is the same. So I don't think it's gonna matter, but I'm gonna call them tomorrow just to make sure, because I don't know why that's there. Okay, so here's what just happened. Came out here working on a totally different project and finished that up. And so now, started messing around with this, thinking I'm gonna wait till I have more time to really dedicate to this. But started tinkering around with it. Let's pull this bad boy off. And getting ready to take this off here to pull the synchronizer out. So it's kind of unplanned, but I'm really anxious to get this going a little bit more. Got it! Okay, got this started off. Let's see what we do here. Okay. So to get to that back one, we're going to need to get another snap ring. Imagine that. But I got this far. Okay, so it looks like at this point we're going all in. Let's set that there. Hopefully it'll help me record this. Well, we got a snap ring right there. See how this one comes out. This one looks like it's going to be a little more difficult. Okay, I don't even know if I was recording what just happened there. So I'm going to pop this bad boy off, and springs and little springs and stuff just went flying everywhere. So luckily the kit has everything I need. I know that's not really a great excuse, but I'm not panicking yet. So now, once again, we have another. One of these bad boys. Take out. Okay, got it off. It was quite a project, but here it is. Once I did that, this thing just slid right off, so that's where I am. Probably should quit for the night while I'm ahead.